I'm Alina Zhang, a senior data scientist. Because you are here, let me make you a promise. By the end of this talk, you'll be able to craft prompt to unleash the real power of vision language models. You'll be able to take these models from a basic responder to active predictor and to a decision maker. We will go through a simple but practical framework for prompt engineering. And to bring it to life, I will show an example, like how to prompt a GPT to detect suspicious behaviors in a grocery store, like a well-trained safeguard. So, to kick it off, let me ask you a question. What will happen in the next second? Anyone? Yeah, cool. Spill. Yeah, because the glass is going to tip over, going to spill. But how did you know that? The brain pulls from your past experience and recognize patterns, made connections, and then made the prediction. This is neuroscience in action. And that's exactly the intelligence we want the vision language model to develop. Let's see how a smart AI would say about this moment. GPT-4o from OpenAI said, the cat is likely to knock over the glass of water. The model first detects objects. There is a table, a cat, and a glass of water. Then the model tries to understand how these objects relate in space. Finally, it pulls from the previous knowledge it got trained on. It knows, like, okay, cats, they are naughty, playful. So put all this together, the model made the final prediction. This is go beyond object detection 5 years ago. It's reasoning. It's contextual understanding. It's the real power of vision language model. A model can see, can read, and can predict.